Good evening, Sayed.
Good evening, Bayan.
Have you read about the paper?
Yeah, I have gone through.
Can you please explain your view about the paper?
Like the major issue in the metro cities is the parking spot. Like we cannot find a parking spot. We have just in rush and we have to park in somewhere else where we got some challan also. So eco parking is just a cheaper way without installing any high-end cameras, just using ultrasonic sensors and all to see the locations of the car, whether it's parked or not, and reservation of car parking via cloud cloud and smartphone app. But there is some security issue also,
Hmm.
like the how we can protect the user data, how we protect their locations, is it safe or not, how will the sensor will last longer in other this like seasons like rainy winter, heavy rainfall, heavy summer,
Hmm.
how the sensor gonna work, are they damaged or not, how we do we have some backup or not.
Okay.
So like its idea is good, but scalable, I think it should have to work on more.
I think that's one of the problems they are solving it in this idea, right?
Yeah, the main problem is the security issues.
Hmm.
And
So you have an idea like
the
how
second
you
issue
can
is
troubleshoot it?
like first we have to some make end-to-end encryption policies very tightly so that
Hmm.
user can rely on us that her data is safe,
Okay.
just like Google and WhatsApp.
Hmm.
And second thing we have to, I think custom sensors are good for that, because if we buy the cheap sensor, they will not last long for in any season, whether it's raining, summer or winter.
Hmm.
And we should have a backup also, because cloud, as you see cloud, if we get a cutoff from the internet, the whole system will collapse in few seconds. Like as recently the Amazon Web Service has collapsed for 1 to 3 minutes, and the whole internet industry will collapse. Like YouTube are not working there,
Hmm.
so we have some backup also so that the customer will not face any kind of issue.
Okay. So that's it, right? Or you have any more?
Yeah, yeah, I think that's it for my side.
Okay. Good one. Good explanation, actually. Sayed. Thank you. Uh, Next, Neeraj. Hello. Oh, okay. So Neeraj, you can't speak in meeting. Okay. So, okay, Melvin.
Hi, I believe I'm audible.
Yeah, yeah. Good evening.
Okay, good evening, good evening. So I just went through the paper, Eco Park, low cost and suitable and a sustainable approach for smart parking systems. So it
Okay.
primarily talked about using IoT technology for for the parking. Like the system architecture was on like divided into three levels. the local unit, the cloud-based server, and the client software. So the local unit was the sensors, the ultrasonic sensor, which was paired with the it was suggested in the paper to be paired with an Arduino module. And as of the cloud-based server, the database, MySQL was suggested to host the data in the cloud, and then web API that serves as a central interface. It receives the data from the Arduino module and stores in the database. And the client side, it was suggested for an Android app was suggested for the user side, where the web API will where the data stored in the web API will be displayed on the client software. So which makes it easy for them to check the number of available spots and they can also schedule reserve the parking spots. So after that, the methodology and workflow was given, like how it will work. The ultrasonic sensor for each slot will be monitored continuously, and it will send the data to the Arduino module and the web API to the central database, and it will be mentioned as available, partially reserved, or reserved. Available is that the sensor doesn't detect any vehicle. Partially reserved was status while the user is actively in the booking process, and reserved was when the booking was successful. The booking algorithm adds seven parts. First, what the vehicle access, like the web application itself, then the name of the customer, then the car number, then the date, then time, start time and the end time, and the availability of the spot and the confirmation. So the benefits of this was the low cost and the sustainability, as the number of sensors and the system that are being and the components that are being used are reduced as compared to the current system. So it majorly focused on the economical benefits, and there was also a mention of the help of the real-time data analysis, which will be directly stored in the cloud. Uh, I believe this is not the only system that uses it, because we have also seen other systems that can give us the real-time data. Even this sensor and the Arduino can give us the real-time data part. And yeah, and it in the conclusion they claimed about the system will give us about 99.7% accuracy. So yeah, this is what I went through. This is what I understood from going through it.
Hmm. And even if you notice, like they had even reviewed about the other people's research also, which included like using Raspberry Pi and SMS
Yeah,
software.
research work. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good one, Melvin. So Neeraj, like, did you at least read the paper? Like, okay, like, can you at least try to type the like what you learned about what you learned from the paper at least, just like two or three sentences about it. Melvin and Syed, you're free to leave as your turns are over, like you explained it.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
I wish to see the message of Neeraj.
Oh, sure. Hi, Finny.
Hi, hi. How are you?
Yeah, fine. For you?
I'm good, good. Did the meeting start or waiting
Yeah,
for someone?
meeting started and like Melvin and Syed actually just explained the paper.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I joined late
Yeah, yeah, no
today.
problem. And Neeraj is not won't be able to speak, so even he read the paper. Yeah.
Okay. So it's done or do you have
I'm
something
actually like
more?
waiting if someone else will join, but I don't think anyone's turning up.
Okay. So, yeah, do you guys want to discuss something else
Uh,
in the meantime?
like Finny, I actually want to discuss with you something.
Okay,
Like it's regarding that journals we discussed.
okay.
I had sent a few list of the names of journals.
Okay. Where did you share that in the group?
Yeah, in the other group.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I couldn't check that. I
Yeah, yeah,
missed,
no
probably
problem.
missed it. When did you share this?
Like I guess it was around like 2 weeks back.
Okay, okay. I'll check that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
I was also looking to some paper, but I couldn't. I haven't checked the like WhatsApp group specifically, but I
Oh,
was
okay,
looking
okay.
into some things. Yeah, there
Yeah,
is
no
like
problem.
one IEEE census coming up, but I don't know. Like the deadline is too close for us. Maybe
Okay.
we'll look for
But even
something else.
IEEE, the main problem is like the rejection chances are very high. I mean, in the sense like those are like the confirmation times also like around 6 to 7 months for them to respond.
Not not really. Uh, like depends on like where you are submitting also. It's if it's see in if it's really premium conference, then yeah, it will take 6 months for reviews and everything. If not, like if you're looking for a normal conference or even an article, it might take like two to 1 month, like minimum it will take.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
Most of the cases,
Like
the
the one
revision will
which
be 2 to 3
I
weeks.
searched for, those journals like approximately like 20 to 30 days for first
Yeah,
response.
yeah.
Hmm.
So basically, I am I had reviewed papers. So basically, as a reviewer, you'll get like 30 days to review that. Okay, and then
Oh,
you can
okay.
ask for the extensions also. So maybe depends on the reviewer. Some people like they review uh, immediately, but some people like they'll take time. So because of the other work, they just postpone things. Yeah. But
Oh,
like
okay.
there'll be a minimum like review time which is like 30 days, I guess. That's why I told like within 30 days we are supposed to get, if not like another 2 weeks, 45 days max, we will get the first response. But after that, like
Yeah, there are
yeah,
many
after
steps actually.
yeah, it depends on the journal actually. So yeah, but if it's things like ICRA, IROS, etc., it's something like a panel kind of thing. So
Okay.
there'll be more people involved, and there is two stages actually. The peer review stage, in which like you submit your paper and you'll get another paper for review. Okay,
Oh,
and
okay.
uh, because in ICRA arrows you'll get like around 10,000 to 20,000 papers for an year. Okay, and
Oh,
it's impossible for the reviewer team to read all this, so they do this first kind of sorting with the ones who submit the papers itself. And yeah, and once that is done, it will go to the actual reviewers after the first uh, category. But thing is, like,
Okay.
if you make a really good paper for in that level, it's there's high chance it gets published in other places. So we should always
Hmm.
target for the premium ones and then downgrade from there rather than the other going the other way.
Oh, okay. So like some of the journals I searched like are sensors and frontiers in robotics and
Yeah.
robotics MDPI. Those stuff.
Yeah, Frontiers is good. MDPI is like it's fine if that should be our backup plan. There is Springer also. That's also nice.
Okay.
Springer and Willys MDPI. These are like we could see like if it's like it depends on like some of them are really good. Some of the like in Willys, I was a reviewer in the field robotics paper. It's a journal actually. That's good for the in terms of field robotics.
Okay.
But some of them are not really good. So we'll see. And okay, then we
Okay.
have to start. That's the main thing.
Yeah, I'm right
Yeah,
now
I'll
researching
look
on
into
that.
that. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
And we once we start writing, I think uh, once we have a format, it's easy to convert to one journal to another because we have the content. We just have to modify a few because the main content remains the same, right?
Hmm, yeah.
So yeah. So even
The
if somebody
format the
rejects
format
us,
is almost same globally, right?
uh, the content is same, but format varies. Even in IEEE, like IEEE sensors will have a format by like IEEE RIS RAS will have another format, but there is a base. The content is the same. Okay, you just have
Okay.
to the way you cite someone or the annotate something. Those are different in these journals. That's just like the documentation part is different, but content is more
Okay.
or less the same. But like the language also varies. Like the way you present in census will be different from way you present in HRA, right? So the focus of the paper will be different based on the application, like the where we are publishing.
Hmm, yeah,
Mm.
true.
Yeah. So let's see. We'll review it. We'll set a meeting and see that. Okay.
Hmm, yeah.
How's this going? The
I
paper
mean, yeah.
research code.
So like only 4 to 5 people are joining.
Mhm. It's fine.
Uh,
So we just need these 4 to 5 people. Based
yeah.
on that, like we can move forward. We don't need that much people actually. We need like say a core team who
No,
could
the irony part is in
who are
here is
really
that only one or two are consistently joining. Like the rest two, it varies from week to week.
yeah like. But I think like if you have like a team of 6 to 7 people, okay, and
Hmm.
then once we actually start giving them projects, then uh, when they say the result, they'll join. Okay,
Hmm.
so don't worry about that now. But just note down who is joining at least once in three
Yeah.
meetings or something. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we need. Yeah, and those who join consistently, definitely like we'll give them more number of papers. We have things planned, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So we'll work on that. Yeah. So all these are like students, or like is there somebody like what's the background of the students joining?
I guess there's a mix actually.
Okay, full time people like is there anybody who is doing full time in that?
I'm doing full time.
Okay, nice, nice.
I am in foundation third term electronics.
Okay, nice. How is it going?
Yeah, it's going good.
Mhm. You have labs also, right?
Yeah, right now I have Linux and AC as my subjects.
Oh, okay. What you learn in Linux? Uh,
Right now we are doing loops in week 6.
oh, okay. Is it shell loop in shell or like general loops like
No,
like
in the
for loop,
shells.
while loop?
In the shells.
Okay, okay.
And
Nice.
online labs are also going there.
Okay. You have embedded also as a part of this, right?
Yeah, we have embedded C also.
Okay. And not only C, like embedded circuits and the hardware part as well.
Yeah, I completed my C in January.
Oh, okay. Did you implement something in Raspberry Pi or those kind of devices?
Not yet, but I'm planning to do in December holidays.
Oh, okay. Mm, nice. So we have some plans for this research group. That's why we are asking. We are giving you some tasks now, just to identify who are like genuinely interested in these kind of things. But like we have some projects coming up. So probably who are actively participating in this will be the part of those projects, and we'll try to publish something, and you'll be a co-author in that. So there's a good chance actually to by
Yeah,
the time you finish, like you could get at least 3 to 4 papers with this.
okay.
That's something good. Yeah. Uh, and yeah. So that's good. We'll see then. Do you want to discuss anything else?
So right now I'm just like researching also about like how to write the research paper.
Okay.
So I guess
Uh,
we can start writing in around 2 or 3 weeks, I guess. Like for the other project we talked about.
okay. You can like the Rajshekhar was mentioning something in the group, right? So
Ah,
did you
yeah.
start with that also?
No,
That's
right
going
now
on,
I'm
the
just
right?
focusing on that the main project, like the one we discussed.
Yeah, and not you, not you, like, but like the others,
Oh, okay, okay.
the smart uh, parking system or something. Rajshekhar was discussing something in the group, right?
Yeah.
We might like we could ask some people to work on that as well. So just as an exercise, we might not publish something, but just an
I guess
exercise,
like
we
this week
could
we can
see.
read that paper then.
Uh, okay, yeah.
A good idea, right?
Uh, Now you have a base idea, right? How to approach something.
Like approach in the sense like read the paper instantly or something like that, right?
So like when you so it's good like you are reading a paper and summarizing that. That's a part of that. Okay, that's a part
Oh,
of the
okay.
research, the initial research that you do. Once you are done with the research, while you are writing, you are basically like see, when you do the research, you list these papers that you are reading into categories.
Hmm.
Like if it's like smart car parking, it could be a you could divide that into 3 or 4 topics like hardware, like the software implementation, AI, or something. So these will be the 3 topics in that. Okay, and you read. Suppose you read 40 papers. You divide these 40 papers into these 3 or 4 categories, and while you write, it's like a story. On research paper you see that also. So they start with like this is where currently the system is, and this is what this guy has done for that.
Yeah, true.
So
They attach
something
the
like
links also for the other research.
yeah, so you give the citations there, like that. You basically build the story there, and one like you explain. There will be intro part where you will see like there are the smart manufacturing can be divided into like hardware, something AI, and those kind of stuff. It's not literally this, but you build based on the application you are writing. Okay, then you will
Okay.
explain all the hardware things and with the citations and everything, and then you move on to the next part and like that, and then you'll write a paragraph like just to summarize the things that you explain and tell like these are the gaps in this particular research, and this is where like our project comes into play, something like that. So that will be a
Hmm.
nice exercise. Now you have like different people working on different things, but like this will be the next step. So coordinating everyone to write this particular like portion.
Hmm.
So you could try that. We
Yeah, yeah.
we need to do that for the other project as well. But yeah, but that's more for that we already have the technology, right? So it
Yeah.
will be more technology focused. But for this, you have a full freedom. You have like whatever these people has reviewed so far, you could give them some categories. And suppose two people were focusing on AI, so give them like write the summary of the AI part, and two people were working on hardware, so just focus on write that paragraph of hardware and then discuss
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like first, I guess we need to generate the complete. We need to have the 100% idea of what we'll be publishing the research paper, right? Like for the
Yeah, but like as an exercise, you could even start without that also. Like
okay, like just generate an idea and try to uh, put it in the paper.
yeah, try to like fit look for the papers that were you guys already discussed. Okay.
Okay.
And start writing something. Right now, like till now, like you guys were like mostly reviewing stuff in like that's a research part. That's also really important. And the next step, you just write something based on this. Uh, yeah.
Okay,
And
sure.
yeah, so
We'll
just
try it.
divide the papers that are already discussed, and then yeah, and divide that in a category and ask people to write that particular portion.
Hmm. Like
That
first we have
way,
to,
you
but
have the
sort out the people who are consistent, like who are, like whom we can trust and give the task for writing.
yeah. So that's true. Yeah, that's why I asked like if some people are like consistent, just start with them, and if they so we can create a different levels of students. The primarily you ask these people, and if these people need somebody, they will ask for the next level of people, something like that.
Hmm. I guess we
So
can start it within two
you
sessions, like two more sessions. We'll get the
yeah
clear picture.
yeah. It because I was not attending these sessions regularly, so
No,
maybe
no,
like you
actually, like
have
the
better idea
proper,
regarding this.
yeah, the proper sessions
Yeah.
actually started just like 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
So then you can wait for like 2 to 3 sessions more, and then decide like how to combine things and write these things.
hmm.
Uh, And if you're stuck at some point, like you can ask me. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
We'll help you. Yeah. And Rajshekhar is also there. He's doing PhD, so
Yeah, yeah,
he's
yeah.
more academic side. I'm more like an industrial. But I do have papers. I do write papers, review papers, etc. So you'll
Hmm.
get help from both sides.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, then I
So
guess that's
okay,
it.
then yeah, it's yeah, half an hour already. So probably I'll take a leave. Okay. So you guys
Yeah,
discuss.
anyway, we're also going to like actually end because no one seems to be joining. So that's it.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah, good to see
Okay.
you guys. Like, yeah, so good job. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
everyone. Bye.